Hi, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. We are back in Sydney, Australia, just for a couple of hours. And just to kill some time, we decided to go on the Sydney Opera House tour, which is $40 per person. It's a 1-hour tour. When you arrive at the Opera House, you can go see the outside by staying on the upper path or head underneath, where you'll find multiple restaurants, the gift shop, and the box office, where you'll buy your tickets for the tour. You'll also need to check any large bags or backpacks, which is free of charge. So there's a few different kinds of tours you could take. We just took the basic tour, but you can take a tour and taste where you get little tasting samples from the restaurants, or the tour and dine where you actually get a meal. And there's also a backstage tour that's on right now at 5:30 every day. Once you've got your tickets, your tour is going to meet just in front of the box office, where your guide will hand you a headset and a little device so that her voice is amplified. Just makes it easier to hear everything she's saying. Once everyone is hooked up to their headset, you're on your way. Now you'll want to wear comfy shoes, as there's a fair bit of walking and some stairs to climb. If you can't do stairs, inquire about the accessible tour. When we came into this main foyer, it was just so beautiful, and I was so amazed at their use of wood.
Some of the sound travels through those rings and it gets dispersed through the room via the ridges across the ceiling and pipes. So it's an amazingly complex machine, musical instrument. If you ever hear it played, the whole room rumbles. They don't use my...
When we went outside, we were so surprised at what the whole shell is covered in. We couldn't believe it's all tile. This is another one of the foyers. The use of concrete in this space is amazing, and our guide goes on to tell you a little bit more about that.
So each of those segments was prefabricated, precast on site, like individual bricks or building blocks. They fit together kind of like pieces of Lego.
This is the smaller of the two main theaters. This is the Opera Theater, and you can see the orchestra pit right there. Check out those box seats that seem to go right to the ceiling.
Fly tower or a fly space where we can hang lighting rigs, curtains, backdrops. So often you'll walk in here and there'll be a grand piano or a string quartet set up behind the room. It's a really intimate room.
Well, that was the tour in a nutshell. We really enjoyed seeing all the spaces and learning about all the acoustical and architectural features that went into building the Sydney Opera House. I highly recommend the tour. At the end of the tour, you'll pass the main box office, where you can purchase tickets for an up-and-coming performance. Or you can head outside like we did and have some lunch overlooking the beautiful Sydney Harbour. Thanks for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel to see more of my upcoming videos on our trip to Australia.